Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to turn off or disable Google Gemini in the Google app. So as you can see, I have a Google application in my mobile phone, and if you have not downloaded it, just go to the Google and download the application of Google. And once downloaded, just click on it and make sure that you have logged in with your email account or like the Google account. And once logged in, you will be seeing this kind of interface. And from here, what you need to do is, as you can see, I'm able to see the Gemini option into my Google app. So from here, what you can do is just go back to the home section. And from here, what you need to do is just click on the profile icon on the upper right corner. And once you click on your profile, scroll down and just click on settings. And once you click on settings, so you'll be seeing all these options like privacy and safety and autofill voice, whatever. So just go to the other settings. And once you're into the other settings, so from here, make sure to turn these options off, which is basically discover, search and auto complete with trending searches. And once you turn these off, these are basically some settings which are related to Google Gemini or the AI that you can say of Google. And once you turn these off, Google will turn off all the Gemini, or basically your Gemini will be disabled into your Google. As you can see, I'm not able to see anything. So that is a simple and easy process. Make sure to follow all the steps and you will be able to turn off or disable your Google Gemini in the Google mobile app.